Backstabbing, a method of connecting wires to electrical devices by inserting them into designated slots on the back of the device, has been the subject of controversy in the electrical industry. While it is an approved method according to the National Electrical Code, NEC, concerns have been raised about its long-term reliability and potential safety hazards. The spring-loaded contacts that hold the wire in place may weaken, leading to arcing, electrical fires, and device failure. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, are designed to detect and interrupt electrical faults that can lead to fires. While AFCIs cannot prevent backstabbing connections from failing, they may reduce the risk of fires by tripping if an arc is detected. Electricians and electrical contractors have varying opinions on backstabbing. Some believe it is an acceptable practice when done correctly, while others strongly oppose it due to the potential hazards. The NEC does not specifically prohibit backstabbing but requires that electrical connections be securely made. It is the electrician's responsibility to ensure that backstabbed connections are properly installed and will maintain a reliable connection over time. According to the NEC, neutral and ground wires should be terminated in a box using wire nuts or other approved methods. Using the device itself as a wire nut via backstabbing is not recommended as it can create a potential for loose connections or arcing. The decision of whether or not to backstab electrical devices is a matter of judgment based on individual circumstances and the electrician's level of experience and confidence in the method. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with backstabbing and to take appropriate precautions to ensure electrical safety. If you have any concerns about the reliability or safety of backstabbed electrical connections, it is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician for guidance.